Discuss the maximum and minimum values of f of x comma y equal to x square plus xy plus y square plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. So first to find r equal to dou square f by dou x square. Next s is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. Next t equal to dou square f by dou y square. Then for maximum and minimum values of f of x, take dou f by dou x equal to 0 and dou f by dou y equal to 0. At maximum extreme point, find rt minus s square value. If rt minus s square greater than 0 and r greater than 0, then f of x has maximum values. If rt minus s square greater than 0 or less than 0, f of x has, this is f of x has minimum values, f of x has maximum values. This is the process. Solution. Given function f of x comma y equal to x square plus xy plus y square plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. First to find dou f by dou x value. Dou by dou x of x square plus xy plus y square plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. So with respect to separate the partial differentiation. Dou by dou x of x square with respect to x, here y terms are constant. Dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou x of y square plus dou by dou x of 1 by x plus dou by dou x of 1 by y. This is dou by dou x of x square is, here apply this formula, dou by dou x of x to the power of n equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1, where n equal to 2. So 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 x plus y into dou by dou x of x is 1, since dou by dou x of x is 1. Next with respect to x, y terms are 0, this is 0. So dou by dou x of 1 by x, dou by dou x of 1 by x is written as x inverse. So here apply this formula, where n equal to minus 1 x to the power of minus 1 minus 1. So this is minus 1 x to the power of minus 1 minus 1. With respect to x, y terms are 0, this is 0. So 2x y into 1 y. So this is plus into minus minus x to the power of minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Next to find dou square f by dou x square. So dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. So dou by dou x of, here substitute dou f by dou x value, 2x plus y minus x to the power of minus 2. So separate the partial differentiation. Dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou x of y minus dou by dou x of x to the power of minus 2. So 2 into dou by dou x of x is 1. So this is 1. With respect to x, y terms are 0, this is 0. So here apply this formula, n into x to the power of n minus 1, where n equal to minus 2. So minus 2 into x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus into minus plus 2 x to the power of minus 3. 2 plus 2 x to the power of minus 3 reciprocal is 1 by x cube. Next to find dou square f by dou x dou y value. Dou square f by, so take this value is r, dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. Dou by dou y of, here substitute dou f by dou x value, 2x plus y minus x to the power of minus 2, that equal to 2 into dou by dou y of x plus dou by dou y of y minus dou by dou y of x to the power of minus 2. So with respect to y, this is 0, x terms 0. So dou by dou y of y is 1, dou by dou y of x to the power of minus 2 is 0. So s is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1, 0. So we get s is equal to 1. Next to find dou square f by dou y square value. So dou f by dou y equal to dou by dou y of substitute f value, f is x square plus xy plus y square plus 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. Separate the differentiation, dou by dou y of x square plus here with respect to y, x terms are constant, so differentiate only y terms, plus dou by dou y of y square plus dou by dou y of 1 by x plus dou by dou y of 1 by y is written as y inverse. So this is y inverse. Dou by dou y of with respect to y, x terms are 0, so this is 0 plus x, dou by dou y of y is 1 plus dou by dou y of y square is 2 into y plus dou by dou y of x with respect to y, x terms are 0, so here apply dou by dou x of x to the power of n formula. Here n is minus 1, so y to the power of minus 1 minus 1, so x into 1 x plus 2y, so this is minus y to the power of minus 2. Next to find dou square f by dou y square, so this is written as dou by dou y of dou f by dou y. Dou by dou y of, substitute dou f by dou y value, so this is dou f by dou y, x plus 2y minus y to the power of minus 2. So separate the differential, partial differentiation, dou by dou y of x plus 2 into dou by dou y of y minus 2 dou by dou y of y to the power of minus 2. So with respect to y, x terms are 0, this is 0, 2 into dou by dou y of y is 1, so here apply this formula, dou by dou x of x to the power of n equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1, okay, where n equal to minus 2, so minus 2 into y to the power of minus 2 minus 1, n is minus 2, so 2 minus into minus plus 2 y to the power of minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that equal to 2 plus 2 y to the power of minus 3 is 1 by y cube. So take dou f by dou y square value is t. Next to find maximum or minimum values. For maximum or minimum values of f of x, take dou f by dou x value is 0 and dou f by dou y value is 0. So first consider dou f by dou y value is 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 0. Dou f by dou x is 2x plus y minus x to the power of minus 2. 2x plus y minus x to the power of minus 2 equal to 0. This is 2x plus y, x to the power of minus 2 is written as 1 by x square, that equal to 0. Here LCM is x square, so 2 into x square plus y into x square minus 1 equal to 0. So this is 2x cube plus x square into y minus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation 1. Next to consider dou f by dou y values is 0. So dou f by dou y. So this is dou f by dou y, x plus 2y y to the power of minus 2. X plus 2y y to the power of minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2y y to the power of minus 2 is written as 1 by y square. So here LCM is y square. So x into y square plus 2y into y square minus 1 equal to 0. X y square plus 2 y into y square y cube minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 2. So we know that dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou y by dou f equal to 0. So dou f by dou x 0, dou f by dou y 0. RHS are equal to 0. So RHS equal to in two equations. So LHS is also equal. So from 1 and 2 equate these two equations. 2x cube plus x square y minus 1 equal to x y square plus 2 y cube minus 1. So both sides similar terms are cancelled. Minus 1 get cancelled. 2x cube plus x square y. Take right hand side values, left hand side. So we get minus y square. This is plus minus y cube equal to 0. So 2x cube, right? X cube terms one side and these two terms one side, minus x y square equal to 0. So in these two terms 2 is common. X cube minus y cube. In these two terms xy is common, so xy common, so x minus y equal to 0. So 2 into, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So here apply a cube minus b cube formula. So we know that a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So apply this formula. X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square plus xy into x minus y equal to 0. In this equation x minus y is common, so take x minus y common. 2 into x square plus xy plus y square in first term, second term is xy equal to 0. So x minus y into 2x multiply by 2, total term 2x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus xy equal to 0. So these two terms are product, so x minus y equal to 0 or this term are 0. So next, x minus y equal to 0 or this is 2x square plus 2xy plus y square plus xy equal to 0. So this is x equal to y or 2x square plus 2xy plus xy, 3xy plus y square equal to 0. So we get one value, one is x equal to y and this is quadratic equation. So take x square is common in this equation. So 2 plus 3xy by x square plus y square by x square equal to 0. Transpose x square value right hand side. So 2 plus, so here 1x cancel, 3, so 3y by x plus this is y by x whole square 0. So write in order, y by x whole square plus 3 into y by x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation in y by x. So compare this equation with a into y by x whole square plus b into y by x plus c equal to 0. So where a equal to y by x coefficient 1, so this is 1. Next b equal to y by x coefficient 3, c equal to constant 2. So here find y by x values. So we know that formula, y by x equal to quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so this is y by x equal to minus, substitute b equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of b square, 3 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 2 by 2a, 2 into 1. So this is minus 3 plus or minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 into 2 6, 4 to the 8 by 2. So this is minus 3 plus or minus, here small correction, 2y square, this is 2y square, so this is 2. So a equal to 2. So here also a2. So 9 minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16. So this is 16. So we get 9 minus 16 minus 7 by, so this is 4. So this is root of minus 7 means this is imaginary value. So we get y by x values are imaginary values, is imaginary. So here for maximum and minimum values only real values are possible. So this imaginary value is not possible, so it is not possible. So take x equal to y. So x equal to y. Find x and y value. Substitute x equal to y in equation 4 and in equation 1 or in equation 2. So substitute x equal to y in equation 1. X equal to y in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2x cube plus x square y minus 1 equal to 0. So this is 2x cube plus x square. So substitute y value is x. X minus 1 equal to 0. This is 2x cube plus x square into x cube minus 1 equal to 0. This is 2 are similar terms, so add these two terms. 3x cube minus 1 equal to 0. 3x cube equal to 1. So x cube equal to 1 by 3. X equal to 1 by 3 whole to the power of transpose cube x cube right hand side we get 1 by 3. So x equal to 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Next find y value. So but we know that x equal to y, so y equal to x. So y equal to x value is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So we get x and y value. X comma y equal to 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this is extreme point. So at this point find r, s and t value. So r value is 2 plus 2 by x cube. 2 plus 2 by x cube. So substitute here x is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, this is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Reciprocal is this is 1 by 3. X is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 and cube. This is whole cube. So here this cube is cancelled. So we get 2 into 1 by 3. 2 plus this is one fraction, this is another fraction, so reverse 3 by 1. 2 plus 2 into 3 6. So we get 8. Next find s value. S is equal to, so we know that s value s is equal to 1. So at this point, so we get s value is 1. Next t value. T equal to 2 plus 2 by y cube. 2 plus 2 by y cube. Here substitute y cube value. So y is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. This is cube. So cube get cancelled. 2 plus 2 by 1 by 3. So 2 plus this is one fraction, this is another fraction. Inverse 1 by 3 inverse is 3 by 1. 2 plus 2 into 3 6. So this is 8. Next find rt minus s square value. So r is 8, t is 8, s is 1. So 1 square. This is 8 8 64 minus 1. So we get 63. This is positive value. So this is greater than 0. So we get rt minus s square greater than 0 and r value. So r is also 8 positive value greater than 0. So and r is also greater than 0. So from this condition given function f of x is minimum. That implies f of x has minimum values. Values at 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3, 1 by 3 whole to the power at extreme point. So find minimum value. minimum value at 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3, 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So minimum value. For minimum value, substitute this point in given function. So given function f of x comma y equal to x square plus xy plus y square plus 1 by x plus 1 by y. So substitute x is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3, y is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 square plus xy 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3, 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus y 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 and square plus 1 by x 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 by value. So this is 1 by 3. This is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So we know that a to the power of mn. So multiply these two powers. So 1 by 3 into 2. So whole to the power of 2 by 3. So here base is equal. So power should be added. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. So powers are 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 we get 2 by 3. So this is also 1 by 3 whole to the power of, multiply these two powers, 2 by 3 plus here take LCM. LCM is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So add two numerators, 1 plus 1 2. So this is, these three terms are similar terms. Add these three terms, 1 1 1 3. So 3 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of 2 by 3 plus 2 into, here write 1 by 3 reciprocal is 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. So this is minimum value. Problem completed.